The invalidation of President Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election has opened a new battle frontier between the executive and the judiciary. Rattled by the Supreme Court decision, the executive is laying siege on the court in a sustained onslaught.
We have a problem with our judiciary, but regardless, we respect, but we shall revisit.
Maraga atusikie vizuri. Kwa sababu he has had his day. Ours is coming. And by the way, that is not a threat. He has had his day. He has done his game. Our day is coming.
Jubilee questioning the wisdom of the court, claiming it defied logic, given Jubilee's numerical strength in Parliament, county assemblies and county governments.
Ati kuna utata, ati ni karatasi gani ilitumiwa kunakili kura ngapi alipata rais na kura gani alipata mpinzani wake. Hata kama ingenakiliwa kwa full scap na ibebwe na mkokoteni, inatosha kwa sababu wa Kenya wameamua.
Maraga, don't interfere. And don't think that because our friends shout and we keep quiet, that we are scared of you. No, we are not. We are not. You've done your ruling, we have respected it. Let IABC do their job. Let them declare the date. And Raila, let us meet at the ballot.
Bullish and smarting from the court decision, Jubilee's exasperation was evident. The executive saying they will turn around the setback to demonstrate who is superior in the contest.
It is not the Supreme Court that is supreme. It is the Kenyan people that are supreme. And we will prove this shortly. We will prove to them shortly.
Maraga thinks he can overturn the will of the people. We shall show you in 60 days that the will of the people cannot be overturned by one or two individuals.
Webe ni yule ule. Wale vile tuliwanyoa, tutanyoa vile vile. Lakini sasa tutaongezea webe ili kishwa wakiwa bali wanaonekana na watu inachaini vizuri sana.
But Maraga and the judiciary received backing from lawyers and judges and magistrates association. The judges and magistrates decrying of the executive intimidation, attacks and threats to court officers.
We ask Kenyans, especially the political class, to desist from personal profiling of judicial officers who are engaged in their constitutionally ordained duties.
The Law Society of Kenya criticized the president of insulting and ridiculing judges. Jubilee has previously threatened to impeach Justice George Odunga for allegedly sympathizing with the opposition in his judgments. And today, the president revisited previous rulings to paint a portrait of a judiciary with an agenda against his government.
We are unapologetic about our win in this election. And we are not going to succumb to any intimidation and blackmail from the court to forgo our win. We won this election fair and square. Maraga na watu wake wajue.
Jaji amesema, tunafanya kazi hii, unakuja una block, unaweka injunction. Kwani unafikiria wewe umechaguliwa na nani? No, there's a problem. And we must fix it.
With the campaign season reopened by the Supreme Court decision, President Uhuru Kenyatta is rallying his ground troops for the ultimate contest, the president promising to overturn the Supreme Court decision through the supreme will of the people through the vote. Samugina, Citizen TV at State House, Nairobi.